Welcome back, everybody, to Investing with Ian. What a time to be alive and what a time to be invested in Bitcoin. I'm wearing my green shirt today because everything is green today. We have hit all-time highs in Bitcoin. We've hit all-time highs in the market cap, as you can see here. Yeah, everything looks green. So let's take a closer look at what's going on in the crypto markets. Thanks for tuning in, guys. If you appreciate this content, smash up the like button and consider subscribing. So, I mean, yeah, what can I say? We've broken all-time high. Let's go to the chart, and this is the 4-hour Bitcoin chart. Yeah, it's just a stair step going up and up and up. We hit $67,000 earlier today, and right now it's just kind of consolidating. Just kind of chilling out right now. And let's see where this will head to. Everything is green over here. All the altcoins that I track. This is not an exhaustive list, but just the coins that I track, everything is green. Ethereum is doing well as well. It broke over 4,100. It's almost at its all-time high, which is 4,300. So that's on track to break its all-time high as well. So, I mean, yeah, congratulations to everybody who has bought, prior to today, no matter how long you've been holding. Everybody who has ever bought cryptocurrency up until today is in profit. So, yeah, you really can't go wrong with this. If you haven't invested yet, not financial advice, but just life advice, I would highly recommend that you consider jumping in. So, like we said, Bitcoin jumps to all-time high after the landmark US ETF launched. So, the first ever Bitcoin exchange traded fund, like I hinted in a prior video, it did in fact launch, and there are other ETFs coming as well. So, definitely good news. See, so they're just saying, Bitcoin launched a fresh all-time high on Wednesday, which is when I'm recording this. And then not only did the ETF launch, but it was one of the most successful ETFs to ever launch in history. So this says that, 4 hours into the trading session on its second day, America's first ever Bitcoin futures ETF surpassed $1 billion in volume. And then right here in bold, it says, the ProShares Bitcoin Strategy ETF, that's the name of the fund, was one of the most successful launches in ETF history. So, what does this tell you? This tells you there's a huge demand for Bitcoin and for, this is hard money. This is money that, again, like I've said before, this can't be debased. The governments can't print trillions of dollars of it. This is digital scarcity. This is digital value, and Bitcoin was the first of its kind to ever offer this. So now that it's on the on the markets, kind of like on the stock markets, it's much easier for institutions and for all these millionaires and billionaires to buy it up. They can just call their broker up and say, hey, hey John, buy me $1 million worth of this ETF right here. So this is what they were waiting for, and now it's here. So yeah, I mean, what can I say? It's a great time to be invested in cryptocurrency. So this is just a quick glimpse of my portfolio. It's at all-time high as well. So yeah, I mean, I don't even know what to say. This is it's gone up so quickly. The longer you hold and the more money you're able to invest, I mean, you can really, I don't say this lightly, but you can really make life-changing wealth with these kind of investments. So yeah, I mean, what do we have next? The Bitcoin mining is decentralizing. So we had previously stated that all of the Bitcoin miners were kicked out of China. So the miners are what, there's these expensive machines and computers that are the backbone of the network, and they were kicked out of China. So where did they all go? Well, this chart shows, these are the most recent months. So all of this red was China, And we can see that in the past couple of months, all of their hash power has gone offline, and now the U.S. is the leader in the hash power, in the Bitcoin, hash power. So, a lot of it came to the U.S. We have a lot of renewable energy that can power the network. So, and that's another thing to point out, is that a lot of this is run by, solar, wind, geothermal electricity, or energy, I should say. And in El Salvador, they're actually using volcanic energy to power these miners. So, it's a lot of green energy. It's not bad for the environment. So there's a lot of misinformation saying that Bitcoin wastes a lot of electricity, but a lot of it is backed by renewable energy. So just keep that in mind. So here we have Tech Dev on Twitter. He's a great analyst. So he's comparing, the previous cycles from 2013, 2017, and, just using technical analysis tools that we have available. If it were to hit the same line, we're looking at an over $200,000 Bitcoin price by the end of the cycle. So that could be as early as December. It could be sometime next year. We don't know. So we're just patiently waiting to see how high it's going to go. It's I'm super excited. Yeah, super. I guess nerdy. I don't know. And then another chart that he is presenting to us. So you can see that in 2013, the top was at this level, which is a Fibonacci extension level. Same thing happened in 2017. So if it happens again in just a few months, I mean, it's hard to believe that it could go over $100,000 or even $200,000 per coin, but anything's possible in crypto, guys. So yeah, it's good stuff. And then I just wanted to just point out real quick, we are in a bull market, and those of you that are new to investing, might be wondering, what is a bull market? Well, it just means that prices are on the rise, and yeah, that's basically what it means. A bull market is a market that is on the rise and where the economy is sound. And then while a bear market exists in an economy that is receding, or where, this is talking about stocks, but it applies to any markets, commodities, cryptos in this case. Yeah, make no mistake about it. We are in a bull market. So yeah, super exciting time to be invested in crypto. I highly recommend, if you're considering investing, I do have a link that you can sign up for a Coinbase. This is about to blast off, guys, and you don't want to miss out, because you don't want to buy at the top when it's already over $125,000. That's peak FOMO, and meaning the fear of missing out. So the earlier you buy, the better. And yeah, I can't wait to see where this goes. I'll be making more videos to track the price action. So stay tuned for those. And yeah, that's all I got. This is Investing with Ian. I'll see you guys next time.